Hi, this is my hydroponic kitchen garden, which measures 2 feet by 10 feet, totaling 20 square feet. Crops planted were lettuce, celery, chive, kale, Pak Choy, string bean, cauliflower, tomato, and sweet peppers. Progress to date was satisfactory, with some plants being harvested, others flowering, and some fruiting. Some losses were also incurred primarily due to pests, as well as over or underwatering or improper fertilization. As this was a learning experience for me, pest control measures were implemented, as well as fertilization techniques were adjusted to suit. As a means of innovation, the drip-to-waste system utilizes both potable water and harvested rainwater, to which fertilizers are added. As a means of sustainability, watering is automated in 4 to 5 minute intervals, 3 times daily. My name is Kevin Belgrave, and this has been my second video submission for the Prime Minister's Best Village Grow It Yourself Challenge 2022.